Look, can you see that? Can you see? Are you seeing this? Guys, COVID-19, quarantine. Girl, I'm going to be creating some bombast look. So go follow, go like, go subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. Old subscribers, thank you for subscribing and watching, liking. I'm seeing you guys. I get your notifications. I'm so blessed to have you on my channel. Our family is growing. We're becoming a bigger family. And this is the part 2 of the Neon series that I'm bringing to you guys using the Neon by Garbie's eyeshadow palette collection. And I'm showing you guys the various ways and the looks you'd like to recreate using it. Today, I'm going to be using the Clemakeup. I'm going to show you here or here is a great makeup artist on Instagram, and I decided to use him as an inspiration to create this gorgeous look. If you like it, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs us up. Share series. And I'm like, okay, let's just get inspired by one of the known Instagram makeup artists. So today, these are the 3 main colors: the neon yellow, the neon orange, and the neon pink that I'm going to be using to create this beautiful base. I'm going to be using these 3 beautiful colors, using this neon yellow, the neon pink, and the orange to create a base. So that you know and not make a mistake, I'm using different brushes for the different colors. Don't try and use the same brushes because it's just going to make it tacky and spread out the colors. So now I'm just going to go in a blending motion, trying to blend this towards this, get the other brush, trying to blend this towards this, doing the same thing. To place the pigments, I'm starting with the neon yellow and I'm just going, as you can see, I'm following the transition colors that I put on there before, and they're going to serve as my base, and I'm just going slightly over it. I'm doing the same thing to the other side, and I'm going, tapping off the excess, and I'm just going in a blend motion, doing the same thing. The shade orange, and I'm just going in a pat motion. As you can see, I'm taking off the excess and patting it, following the same gradient that I used. I'm going to do the same thing over here. It's springtime, people, so come out with your dramatic and beautiful, colorful looks. As you can see, the transition color helped it at the edges, just so that I don't have issues with the blending, and just so I can keep it contained. And see, it's just coming out so beautiful, so beautiful. I just keep tapping. For the base, I used my concealer, which is a concealer by Juvia's Place in the shade J13, and it's helping the eyeshadow stay vibrant. Another color, another concealer you might want to take note of, mine is coming soon in the mail, is the P. Louise eyeshadow base. They're pretty and they get the job done right. Right now, I'm just going to be blending the colors into each other just so they don't stand on their own and they look well blended. And slightly brush it against each other like so they don't stand out. So guys, I'm done with the eyeshadow. As you can see, it's beautiful, gorgeous. I'm just gonna be doing my eyeliner, do my foundation off camera, and I'll come back to you guys. If you're still watching till here and you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, Don't forget to share, like, and comment down below. I'm just gonna blend in a tap 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 motion. I realized that I have a very teary eye, so I'd rather go without eyelashes, or I'll do the eyelashes at the end. So you guys just keep watching. You'll see me do my eyelash just before the end of this video, okay? Then set my forehead. Doing the same thing, taking off the excess powder away. Trying to set my brows, just keep it in place. For my face highlight, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome. You get the effect I'm getting. Can you see this? Are you seeing this? For my brow area, I'm just going to go in with this tiny shader pen, tiny shader brush, and just highlight my brow area. I got my eyelash on with little no tears, and to reinforce the color at my tear duct area, which looks like it's tearing up a little bit, I'm going in with the neon yellow and I'm just placing it close to my tear duct area. Next, I'm going in with my lips, and I'm using the MAC lip liner in Chestnut just to line the area of my lip. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel. We're growing, we're becoming a big family. If you see this in the video, ignore, it's part of the tidbits of recording a video. Guys, this is the end of the video. Watching this, click the subscribe button, share, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Till another time, see you.